he represented everybody, okay? Like, oh! I watched the Super Bowl last night. I saw the Bad Bunny performance. Bro, that was the best shit I've ever seen in my fucking life, alright? That's where I'm at. This is the Airbnb in Canada. Just kidding. I'm in New York because my trip got canceled. But it's okay. We're in New York. We're gonna chill. We're gonna have a good time. Hola, mi gente. I think it's okay if I don't go now because I low-key am feeling I'm transitioning now from winter to summer. So I'm like, maybe it's okay. I hope. I would have loved this as a kid. I would have been like, she's so lucky. She's a star, but she cries, cries, cries. Think about all the great songs I'm gonna make now. I'm having a little fun before I start work because once I go into work, you know, it's okay because after today, I'm on break. You know, I have 5 days off where I can do whatever I want. So today we're gonna go get massages because we should be in Canada, but we're not. And I'm like, what better way to make up for this than get massages? So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna go watch a movie. And I know, but I feel like a singer when I'm using this mic. This is what I'm wearing today for the massages. That's it. But makeup tea. Makeup is tea. You know what I love about having a YouTube channel? I can do whatever I want. We made it. You're all out of this one. And I really want it. We made it to AMC
with clinically studied plants.
I left my tripod and right now you're on top of my camera case, 2 yoga blocks, and a container. That's what you guys been on. The massage I had yesterday was just so horrible. Okay, it was the worst massage I've ever had in my life. Now look how beautiful. This is beautiful milky pink. I don't know, I've been really obsessed with pink everything lately, like a baby pink cheek, baby pink face, baby pink lips. I've just been really obsessed with finding pink stuff. This is the beautiful baby pink that I'm looking for. And I know it's a little light, but when I have my lip, my lip prep, my lip liner and all of that, it's gonna look stunning. So I watched Crime 101. I did not think this movie was gonna be like really my tea, but it was so good. I was like, oh, I was engaged the entire movie. It had a great cast. It had Chris Hemsworth, Thor guy, Mark Ruffalo, Hulk guy, and I had Halle Berry, Catwoman. And it was so good seeing Halle Berry in something because I haven't seen her in something in so long. This is the most snow I've seen in a while. At least they have a little path for us. The way I was busting my ass a few times already. I don't have snow boots on, and I have no grip in my shoes. I have like these leather sneakers on. Zero grip. Breaking news! Humanity just witnessed the dish that never was. It's reported that while the crew did film the cooking, they forgot to film the cooked meal. An anonymous source tells us that they destroyed all the evidence by eating it. Sources also tell us that the food was quite delicious and it was indeed a meal that was. Yeah, I forgot to film it, but it was good though. It was good.